Hello, people. Today we have this plastic bag, olive drab in color, 8 inches wide by 18 inches in length, made of a polyethylene. This one is marked cover waterproof pistol or personal effects size 1, and then below that we've got a DSA contract number 100-67-C-1626, and below that we've got the national stock number 8465-185 0726. So the stock number would be used by a soldier to order this product and receive it in the field or on base or wherever. But the DSA contract number tells you who manufactured it and when. And this one was manufactured in 1967. But I'm not exactly sure who made it. You'd have to know. This 1626 code is telling you who made it. And then, of course, this is size 1 for a handgun. Size 2 would have been for a rifle or a shotgun. And I'm not sure if there's a size 3 or not. But, of course, if you're moving from a boat onto land, the chances of you hitting water are great because you're a soldier and that's your job. If there's no dock or no way of getting from your boat to land without getting wet, well, guess what? You're getting wet. So here's another one that's about the same size. Similar in color, although it's very see-through. It's a different type of plastic. It's almost like a rubber. This one is marked covers waterproof pistol or personal effects specification PQD number 377-B, stock number 74-C- 310-38, PO 8652, dated December 13th, 1944. And this is from the Philadelphia Quartermaster Depot. And then below that, we've got a line for an inspector to put their signature or a stamp. And I'm not sure exactly at what point someone was supposed to inspect this. But of course, that was issued after D-Day, during the invasion of Normandy, when soldiers were moving from their vessels to land. Their pistols most likely had this waterproof bag. Very durable rubber type plastic, reinforced in specific places. It's very finely crafted. It even has a buckle. But it's the shape of it to match the shape of the handgun. This was meant to be shoved into your holster. And then maybe these lines here were to suggest where it should be folded before rolling the top. And the buckle would come around and snap closed. It's a very, very interesting piece of military equipment. It's not very common anymore. It's kind of hard to find them, but when you do, they don't really sell all that expensive. They go pretty cheap. Thanks for watching, people.